All right, beautiful people, this is just a quick video to show how to write your argument section in your graphic organizer and your informative essay. All right, so in regards to the graphic organizer, here's the argument section that I've pulled from a student last year. I typed it up so that it's easier to read for you. Here we go. Starting out with the topic sentence. There are many false misconceptions of Africa that people have due to lack of information and information they've received that has influenced their misconceptions. Here, they check all the points of a topic sentence, which is basically you need to answer the questions being asked. First question of this assignment, are there misconceptions of Africa? Yes. There are many, okay, they said yes. All right. The second, why are there misconceptions? They answered that. Lack of information or information they've received that have influenced their misconceptions. And then the third question is, are the misconceptions true? They do it in a subtle way. No, they're false. So check. They've checked all the boxes off with their topic sentence. Now, in regards to the summary, again, you're supposed to grab the reader's attention and give them some context. Here we go. As history has shown us, even very educated and powerful people like Joe Biden have mistakenly labeled Africa as a prosperous nation rather than a continent of 54 diverse nations. Now, they grab your attention, but they just referred to the video that I showed you all in regards to Joe Biden saying Africa's a prosperous nation, right? So they use that in their brief summary. Let's continue. As an American, I've discovered misconceptions that I've personally held, and as a movie lover, I've discovered that some of my most beloved films have contributed to the misconceptions held by many other Americans and people. So they're just like kind of summarizing the activity where they read the Lion King article and they used it to do what? Give the reader context and grab the reader's attention. Now I'm ready for the thesis. Now the thesis outlines everything that they're going to talk about. Really your reasons in your paper, right? All right. This paper will outline and illustrate how Africa being one country, okay, so that's the first misconception, full of corrupt governments, that's the second, animals, right, and bad economy. So here they had their 4 misconceptions outlined. They did it in one sentence, all right, and they basically say are misconceptions of Africa that exist but are ultimately not true, period. Now they're ready to go on and list all the reasons and evidence in detail. The thesis statement is pretty much a gateway or an introduction, right, or a bridge to set up the rest of your paper, okay? So hopefully this helps. Again, this is all your argument should consist of. Figure out your way that you're going to write it. And again, this is a working argument section which contains a working topic sentence, working brief summary, and a working thesis, meaning that these are the beginning stages. We will work on it to master it, okay? All right, look at this video. Hope it helps, and I will see you all in class tomorrow.